Hi, my name is Terrence Liu, and I'm presenting our paper, Private Synthetic Data with Hierarchical Structure. So to give some background, we consider in this work the problem of generating synthetic data that mirrors the statistical properties of some sensitive data set subject to differential privacy. In particular, our problem is framed under query release, where the properties we are preserving are statistical queries such as mean aggregate counts. And so the basic framework of this line of work involves designing a private algorithm that takes as input these queries and outputs a synthetic data set that minimize some loss function, such as error across all input queries. Now, typically in non-hierarchical settings, our data domain looks like this, where individual rows are unrelated to each other. However, data can sometimes be grouped together, such as individuals within households and census surveys. Moreover, as found in the American Community Survey, columns themselves can be categorized into group and individual level attributes. So here, you can essentially think of group level attributes as being common to all individual rows belonging to the same group, such as a geographical county that a household belongs to. I encourage you to take a look at our paper where we provide much more detail, but the key question we address in this work is what statistical queries should we even use when considering this type of data? So in the non-hierarchical setting, when we have a table of discretized or categorical columns, we simply need to count the number of individuals that satisfy some predicates, such as how many people are male. However, now in this setting, you can also count the number of groups. And moreover, you can describe what types of individuals comprise groups using queries like how many groups contain at least one male. And again, I won't get into too much detail here, but after formulating these two parts of our problem, we essentially design ways in which we can represent this data structure and set of queries to optimize some objective function, which we then evaluate on real-world data with hierarchical structure. Thank you for your time. And please feel free to email me if you have questions or if you would like to discuss this work further.